Good evening, folks. Is everyone out here? Got a Take Star 500. This is for 609 Weatherman. Appreciate the business. He's bought an amp from me and done quite a bit of business. Good dude. Anyway, here's what we did. Let's see, get focused in here. Put all 4 new HG-2879s, new bison resistors, new 10 ohms, front and rear. One of the fuses was missing. Put a fuse in there. Put 2 new fuses in both sides. I didn't have the exact light, so I put this little bitty light in there, but it works great just like a regular one. Pretty much that's all we did. Check the bison, put HGs in it, set everything up. Okay, folks, let's take a look at it. We're going to start out with power on, green button in, variable wide open. HG-28, 15.5 volts as usual. That's my power supply set on. Reverse power, 5 watt slug reverse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, half watt. Input tuning. Now this is a variable and variable stage, and variable all the way up. Okay. Alright, 500 watt slug, average power. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right a little over 100. I ain't got much dicky going in. 1000 watt slug, PUP. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looking about 400 right there. 1, 2. Hello, radio. Breaker, little over 400. This thing had DEIs in it to start with, by the way. Break, break, break. Got down. Alright, I'm going to push a button out. Turn it wide open. 5 watt reverse. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Get close to watt now. Average power. This will make a big difference. We got that key. 1, 2. Hello, 300 average. Got down, got down. It'd do 400 for average, I bet, if I turn the radio up. Alright, 1000 watt slug PUP. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Radio drive, 15 volts, 600 peak. Input tune. And give a little hammer test here. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Oh, takes a star, worldwide, 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 worldwide. Worldwide HG, take a star, 15.5. Got down, got down. There she is, man. She's all fixed up. Just remember, good SWR, don't bolt her, and keep your decky down, and you'll be good. A lot better than DEIs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Catch you later.